So here's a setup that probably looks a lot like yours. You have your Business Central up and running, you have Tasklet Factory Mobile WMS installed, and you're happily processing sales orders, shipments, and then you're switching to your handheld device here in the warehouse. You're using that to get the goods properly out the door. There's only one thing that's really missing, and that is carrier labels. If you complete a pack and ship task, there is no carrier label being printed automatically, let alone that it would select the best possible carrier and service based on weight and destination for you. Now, we're going to solve all that with our Sendcloud extension. Here we are on the Envision website. Here you can select Commerce 365 for Sendcloud. Sendcloud is a multi-carrier platform which allows you to work with 160 carriers nowadays. And with our Business Central integration, we allow you to integrate all the Sendcloud features with Business Central. And if you scroll down, you'll bump into the additional Tasklet module here. So click on this button, and here you can read everything there is to know about the combination of Tasklet and Sendcloud. But if you want to get straight to it, you just click here, install via AppSource, and that'll get you to this page. This is where you can start the trial for the Sendcloud Tasklet solution, and know that this one has a dependency on the core Sendcloud application. So as soon as you install this one, both will get installed. Let's head over to the Sendcloud homepage, where of course you can read all about their additional services like the branded track and trace and the returns portal. Lots of extra goodies coming as part of your Sendcloud account, but all we do for now is we go here, start for free. We'll leave the Sendcloud account creation process up to you. Just go ahead, start by filling in email and password, and later on, of course, your addresses, etc., etc. It even is going to ask you for a 2-cent verification payment, but then you should be able to get started from there. So here we are. We now logged on to the Sendcloud panel, as they call it, or the Sendcloud backend. You can do a couple of things here, like first go into carriers and to verify that you have Royal Mail active in your account, search for Royal, and here you go. Now, the next thing you want to do is check your integrations. This was also a step that came up during the account creation process. So either you already have created an integration or you can do it here from the panel. And all you do is you give the thing a name, click Save, and you'll pre-present it the public key and secret key. Store those because we need them later in Business Central. Now, we've done that. So let's head over to Business Central. In the Sendcloud menu, you'll find Administration Setup Wizard. If you don't see this in the menu, please switch to the Sales Order Processor role. It's one of the roles where the Sendcloud menu is added. So first thing we need to put in is our app ID and secret, which is the credentials that you received in the email that you got from us upon installing. And then the next one, here, public key and secret key, this is the keys that we just generated within our Sendcloud backend environment. You put in those, and then the system will start to import all your Sendcloud shipment methods and some additional stuff in order for you to work with Sendcloud here in Business Central. We will now quickly verify a couple of things which have just been imported. So the first thing we do is shipment methods and shipment methods. This is actually your standard Business Central shipment methods. And here we add one checkbox where you can say per shipment method, do we want any interaction with the Sendcloud platform? Do you want BC for this shipment method to create Sendcloud shipments? So we activate that for the delivery method here, and that's it. Now, the second one, which is also called shipment methods, here's the Sendcloud shipment methods. And for now, we've disabled most of the others because we really just want to do the demo with Royal Mail. So here's our Royal Mail shipment methods directly available in BC. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to go to master data and then boxes. So here's the standard box types that were created upon installation. And this is what we have to link with Tasklet. So here's your Sendcloud boxes. We look for mobile package types, which is boxes within Tasklet. The first thing you do is you click on synchronize package types. It will import all those boxes which we just had on the other screen. The last thing to do, a bit of setup with all the settings as you would normally do when configuring any other package type to be used with Tasklet. So we're now ready to actually ship something. So we go here and we'll just be shipping a very simple sales order. So we're always shipping Amsterdam lamps here. So here we go, just one from our south location where we have warehouse enabled. So release, warehouse shipment, we create the pick, and then of course we head over to our Tasklet device. Here's where we're going to complete the pick. And now in pack and ship, we'll find the shipment and the last step You see, it has those package types we created earlier. Medium box still asks us to put in the actual weight here. We see that that is 3 kilos. And here we go. Let's post it. It will just complete the pack and ship task. Our Sendcloud integration in the background will pick up that it has to do some work. And to show you this in Business Central, let's head over to the sales order. Let's close the warehouse shipment. You'll now see a parcel being shown here in my Sendcloud fact box. And you can already find the Royal Mail label down here. And this is what just came off the printer here next to me as well. And if you click on the parcel link here, you'll see all the information, the whole document as it was created when we just completed the pack and ship task, when we posted the warehouse shipment, and you'll see the label again and the tracking URL, which you can reuse anywhere else in Business Central as well. That was it. Thank you.